creator. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to create a professional YouTube channel on your cell phone. On top of that, I will share with you how to upload the video onto the YouTube channel so you can start earning money. Plus, I have a free giveaway with 10 channel arts that I created just for you when you're first starting out, okay? See the link below, click on that link, you can go there and then download that free channel art, or you can email me at roselifeinusa@gmail.com. You will get free 10 channel arts. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we want to go to App Store, click on that. And then I'm going to type in here in the search box, YouTube Studio. Then I'm going to click on that. And next, I'm going to scroll down here. We want to select YouTube Studio, okay? Then click on it to select. And it is downloading right now. And then I'm going to click on Open here. Next, I'm going to click on Get Started, okay? Then I'm going to click on Signed In. And I have many accounts here pops up. However, though, I want to create a brand new account, okay? To do that, I will click on this Add Account. And I'm going to click on Continue. After that, I'm going to click on Create Account here. And then I want to select for myself. Then I'm going to type in my name here. So first name, and then press on the tab key. And then type on my last name. Then I'm going to click on Next. After that, I'm going to type on my birthday. So this is month. I'm going to select on the month and then the date. After that, I'm going to click on the year here, the year you were born, okay? And gender, select your gender. For me, I'm female, I'm going to select female, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, this is important. You can either type in your email or get a new email address. So I can click right here to get a new email address. Click on that to select, and they give me choices based on my username that I type in. For example, willyrose2@gmail.com, rosewilly9@gmail.com, or create your own Gmail address. Let's try click on this and see what we can do. So my channel is going to be Rose Life in US. So I'm going to try that. Rose Life in USA. See if that's available. Okay, looks like it is. So Rose Life in USA @gmail.com, and let's try click on next here. Yeah, it is available. Next, I'm going to type in my password. Password that easy for you to remember, but not too easy that it's not safe. So be sure it is easy. Okay, now I'm going to confirm, and then after that, I'm going to click on next here. Be sure you save your password, guys, to be safe, and add the recovery email. So the recovery email allows you to recover your account when you can't use this email to access your account. Right now, I'm going to skip for now. Okay, now you have the option, either you want to put your phone number right now or wait for later. So I'm going to click on skip right here. And after that, I can see right here. So this is my address email, roselifeinusa@gmail.com. Next, I'm going to click on next. Be sure you write down in somewhere safe so you will know what to use when you sign into Google, okay? Next, we want to select I agree, okay? Okay, so this is important. We just create an Google account. Next, I'm going to come over here and click on this all right there. And then I'm going to click on create a channel, okay? Click on that to create a channel. Okay, so this is important, guys. We have a name here, Rose Willy. Upload picture, handle. So you can change your handle to something else that you want. For example, name is Rose Willy. I'm going to change that to Rose Life in USA. Okay, let me type in Rose Life in USA. So there you go. If you see this check mark right there, that means it is available for me to use. So handle, it just means that my channel's name, which is Rose Life in USA. Next, I'm going to come down here and click on create channel, okay? All right, so the channel is being created in a few moments. So Google just let me know that the channel is being created. I'm going to click on the refresh button right here to refresh. And now it is. So Rose Life in USA is created. So now we need to do a choosing here to make our channel look professional and easy for people to follow us and recognize who we are. To do that, we have these several tabs right here that I want to point out. We have Home tab, we have Playlist. Right now it's all empty. And we have About page. About page, we can type in a few words about us. Okay, so let's say I have channel. Right now I don't have any yet. When I subscribe to other people's channel, it appears right here. So first of all, let me come over here to my right. I want to select this customize channel. Okay, click on that. All right, then I'm going to click on continue here. Okay, so this is when you first start opening the YouTube account. It's quite empty right here. So right now you have your YouTube channel. After this, you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. However, if you want to make money on YouTube, there are several things that you need to do to qualify to do that. One of them, you want to add a profile picture right here. And the other one, you need to verify your account as well as you want to upload the channel art. Okay, I will show you all those. Okay, to upload your profile picture, I'm going to start with clicking on the profile image here. So I'm going to upload right here. Click on this upload button right there. So I'm going to select my profile image here. Click on your profile image and then come down here, click on open. And there it is. So I can click on this bubble here and then drag to the right or drag to the left to adjust that. So I'm going to drag it to the right there, just like that. And I'm going to click on done. Next, I want to click on this upload here. And then I'm going to, once again, navigate to my file. So, and I'm going to select banners right there. So I'm going to select Life in USA right there. And then I'm going to click on open and there you go. So as you can see right here, this channel art designed perfect for your YouTube channel. Okay. Next, I'm going to click on done here and there it is. And after that, I will come over here and click on publish. Okay, now we want to click on the view channel here and I'm going to click on refresh here. So let's come over here. So I'm going to click on my channel once again, just like that. And right there you go. My blog, Life in the USA. So next, there are a couple more things we need to do. We want to verify if we want to upload a video or have a custom thumbnail into YouTube. So to do that, I'm going to come over here and click on this customize channel once again. And then we want to, okay, so first of all guys, we have layout. So here, branding, then basic info, okay? So basic info, we have Rose Life in USA, that's a channel name. And here, this is the name. When people type this at Rose Life in USA, they will see that channel, okay? Or come down here. This is one. You want to type in the description about your channel. For example, I'm gonna just give it short one. Let's say, hello. So hello, I'm Rose. I live in the United States and I love to share my lifestyle and tip and trick on living in the United States. Okay, just short like that is fine. You can add more you want, but for now, that is perfect. Now, I will come over here and click on publish. Once again, always click on publish before it's saved or it doesn't save. Okay, so then I can scroll down here. You can add more links such as social media and stuff. So now, right here, email. So you can add your email so people can contact you. Rose Life in USA at gmail.com, and that is my email. And you want to save the email, save, and people can contact you, okay? Once again, always click publish here. Next, I'm going to click on view channel here. And there it is, we are almost finished. After that, we are going to verify your account so we can upload a longer video. Next, click on this customize channel here. And then I will come down here to setting, okay? All right, so this is important. Because I'm in the US, I will select US and US dollar. Then I'm gonna click on channel here. So channel, under basic, we want to select country of resident. So this is important, guys. Be sure you select country that you live in. So once again, United States. If you guys in Cambodia, Canada, Vietnam, select that. And keyword. So keyword, let's say life in USA, and be sure you type in comma and USA, and then rows life in USA, and then tips and tricks, then just that for now, and then advanced setting. So advanced setting, okay, this one, next channel, not made for kid, click this one right here. No, set this channel as not made for kid. I never upload content that made for kid. And I'm gonna scroll down here. Leave everything as is. Don't check anything except this one. Allow viewer to clip my content. Leave that box checked. And here, feature and eligibility. So this is important, okay? So intermediate feature, video over 15 minutes, custom thumbnail, live streaming, and content ID. We want to enable. To enable that, we have to verify your account. And right here, advanced feature, increase daily video upload, live stream. We also need to enable that. So click on this arrow here. And to verify, we want to click on right there. Verify phone number, okay? And then we want to type in a phone number here. So I'm going to type in my phone number. Okay, be sure you check if your phone number is correct. And after that, I'm going to click on this button right here. Get code. Then YouTube will send me a code. So right now I'm going to type in the code here. And next I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so your phone number verify. Congratulations. Now I'm going to come back over here and go back to feature again. Now it is enabled, which is perfect. Okay, so there you see we almost finished, guys. We just verify our account and we upload all the profile picture, all the required for a video and description about us, which is perfect. Now let me show you a couple of things here. On my left hand side here we have dashboard. So if I click on dashboard, we get to see a few things here. When we upload a video, we will see the video right here. Or down here we have content. Content is mean that you will see your video, and you also have live, you have playlist, you have podcast. And right here, this is important, analytic, where you get to see all the information. Right here, your watch hour, your subscribers, view. There are 3 things that you want to look out for if you qualify. Number of view if you are viewed from short, watch hour, and subscriber. Next, comment. So comment where people comment on your video and they mention anything, and subtitle, copyright. So don't worry about copyright unless you use other people's video. If you just record, your baby boy playing with cat, or your baby boy speak for the first word, those are original content and you are fine. So I'm going to scroll down here, and earning, this is important, okay? So when I click down here, nothing there. For now, don't worry about that yet. We are going to wait and then upload a first video. So if I go to the right here, I can upload the video, okay? So click on that button there and then upload the video. To upload the video, I'm going to click on that select file there and then navigate to my video, and right here, I'm going to click on it and then click on open, and I'm going to name it be what is like in a coffee shop in the USA, okay? And description, I'm going to type in see the beautiful coffee shop where you can buy delicious coffee and tea. First of all, guys, I like to have hashtag in my description. You can have longer description better, but this is just for my example here. I'm going to type in hashtag. So hashtag, I want coffee, then I want cafe, then one more USA. And after that, I'm going to scroll down and then click any thumbnail. I usually create my own thumbnail, but for this example, I'm going to leave it as is for now. This is because account verified, we can upload a custom thumbnail. And then click on playlist down here. I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to click on create playlist to create one and click on this new playlist. And I'm going to type in Rose in USA. Okay. And description, I will leave it blank for now. This is important though. You want to select public, okay? And then click on create. And now we have one playlist, Rose in USA. I'm going to click on done here. And then I'm going to scroll down. So this right here, no, it's not made for kids. That's what we want. We don't want have any restriction at all. This video is for everybody. And I'm going to click on this arrow right here and see what's in there. So no, don't restrict my video. So we want to click this button right here and more. So show more, that's what we want. And I'm going to scroll down. So we want to click a couple of tags here, okay? So let's say Rose in USA, USA, coffee. You want to put the tag that related to your video, okay? Cafe, something like that. And then you want to scroll down and over here select language. So the language, if I'm speaking English, I'm going to select English. If you speak Khmer, you want to select Khmer, okay? So I'm going to select English, United States, that's what I speak. And caption, we want to select this content never air on television in the US. That's what we want. And right here, recording date, I don't want that, nor video location. So down here, click on this allow embedding, publish subscription feed, notify subscriber, perfect. And down here we keep on going. So allow video and auto mixing, that's perfect. And keep going down. I will select entertainment right there, okay? Because it's more like entertaining. We go have fun, do this, do that. And hold for inappropriate comment for viewer, that's perfect. That's what we want. And right here, go with top, that is perfect. And after that, I'm going to click on next. So with this, I'm going to either add subtitle or leave it blank. Your first video, you have nothing to worry about that. I'm going to click on next and then close here. So copyright checks. Once again, this is original content. You don't have to worry about copyright. And next, I'm going to click on visibility. So normally I would click on unlisted first, right there, and then click on save. Okay, then I can click on close here. So next, I will come over here and then I'm going to click on content. Okay, so under content, we have one video published. And I'm going to come over here and click on this arrow right there. And then I want to click on public. And then click on publish. And now this video is published. I'm going to come over here, click on this, and then go to channel once again. You see right here now the home page. See your first video, and then video, you see your video, and playlist, you have one playlist. And channel, once again, you don't have any other channel yet. So if I subscribe to other people's channel, the channel will appear right here, okay? And about. So if I look at under about here, I have, hello, I live in the United States and I love to share my lifestyle, blah, blah, blah. And here, view email, click on that, you will see that email. There you go, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And remember to follow me on Encoder Daily Text for more awesome videos. So good luck, guys. Thanks for watching.